Number one sector, biotech. Stop calling highs. You don't know when the high is going to be. I don't know when the high is going to be. No one makes money calling the highs or the bottom. Just trade what's in front of you. It's so much easier, okay? This is one that people are so sick of seeing, I'm sure, but here it is again, okay? If you don't get the newsletter, there's a free version below. Get it, because what we go over is extremely timely in there, and you're going to want to subscribe, especially now, because there's a lot to learn, especially if you're new and you don't have the time. It condenses everything down for you within like 30 seconds on what you need to worry about on the week, on Monday, update Wednesday, review Friday. So anyway, if you were following along, these are the 3 entries we had in the newsletter. We're doing exceptionally well with them. We haven't moved them. Okay, company after company is coming out and we're doing okay here. Now tomorrow we might take a little bit of a ding on this off the open, right? Because we're going to have to deal with, we've been NVAXed. So now I've got to deal with that. And now NVAX has become a verb. So if you like this clip, click on the left to watch another one. Or if you want to see the entire video, click on the right.